Hey guys, this is Corey over at the Life Insurance Professionals, where I make content for people to see exactly how life insurance works. I'm a life insurance agent here in Florida, licensed in 26 different states. I'm a father, I'm a single dad, I'm a widower. So life insurance is really important to me and to other people, families, seniors, single parents. I help a lot of widowers and single parents. So I just wanted to make this video. You saw the thumbnail that says 995 is kind of deceptive. It's true. I just had a client who it cost her $3,000 in the amount of coverage she was able to get for the same price because she waited a year. She never got around to calling Colonial Penn for their 999 plan. And then she did, and she found out it wasn't really an option for her for what she was trying to accomplish. So let's show you exactly how this works. Fix my hair. Hopefully I look good. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so please bear with me. Just make these videos here in my office. And, I'm a family guy who wants to take care of people and help people. That's my whole goal here. So let me share my screen and show you exactly how I handle a client. Miss Stacy was Sammy, who's now 13. There he is. That was his teacher, whatever, caregiver, all the way since he was a little kid up until he was about 10. He was his counselor in aftercare when he would finish school. And Harvey, my other one right there, he's been going since he's 6 months old after my wife passed away. So since he's a baby, but he's been there for 6 years and he's now going to aftercare. And she happens to be the director of the school now, which is pretty awesome. And she came to me a year ago saying, Corey, help me with life insurance. So I got her a quote. She waited, and it cost her $3,000 in coverage because she waited a year. So she had a $60 budget. She's a female. She wanted whole life, not term. She's only 52. Term is a good product for her. She could have gotten at least 20. That would have put her to 72. And then she would have been out looking for life insurance, and she would have come to get a plan like this at 72, and it would have cost her an absolute fortune, way more than this. So $60 was her budget. She is 5'6", 270, and she's 7'5", 1970 to get her date of birth. Lives in Florida. Of course, she's a female. Now, she's a unique case because when she came to me, she didn't tell me about these medications. 3 medications she left off the list. So I got her a quote from the same, pretty much the same group of companies, and it was about $3,000 more, $23,000 for $60, and she ended up with a little bit. No, I'm sorry, it was $25,000 for $60. She ended up with $22,319 through Foresters. They have a great plan if you're tech savvy enough to sign online. We get you set up. They do express underwriting, no blood work, no urine, but medical questions. Okay. So they ask some medical questions. They do an MIB check, Medical Information Bureau check. And what that means is they're checking like a credit check, but for prescription history and medical history. It's done with all insurance companies. So I deal with about 24 companies that do express underwriting, first aid coverage. And that's the first thing. First aid coverage, whole life, never goes down the amount of coverage and never expires like it does through the AARP program, which starts to reduce after you get to 70. This is going to stay the same forever. Her price will be the same forever as long as she plays her plan. Cash value develops, she can borrow against it, and it is whole life. Just like your parents heard of when they were kids, they all wanted whole life. Most people go term when they're younger now, bigger bang for their buck. Got a lot of debt when it comes to kids, credit cards, house, there's debt out there. So they want to make sure that educations are paid off, house is paid off. It's a different product, which I'd be happy to talk to you about. So she was looking at Foresters here, $22,319 for $60. Here's our wonderful Colonial Penn 995 plan. She's looking at the guaranteed acceptance because that's what they say in the commercial. No medical questions. Everybody's approved. Here's Miss Stacy's information. She's a female. Don't mean to yell if it's too loud. I'm sorry. Turn your volume down. It's hard for me to tell. And let's select our coverage. Now, this is how it's sold. 1 unit, $9.95. 2 units, $20, just round it up. 4 units, $39.80. $49.75 for 5 units. So she could afford $60 a month. That's 6 units of insurance, $59.70. Make this a little bit bigger and easier to see. Here we go. Sorry. Coverage amount, $11,340 for 6 units, $59.70 a month. How is that $9.95? Guaranteed acceptance. Well, we got her a better deal with Foresters. Now, not everybody's going to be able to get Foresters and American Amicable, Great Western. They all have great programs, and everybody's a little bit different based off of medications. But this particular program was the cheapest program out there for Stacy. So I just wanted to show you that, you know, Stacy's taking a high blood pressure. She's got her asthma medication, and she's had some albuterol in the past. But she did also have medications for depression and psychotic disorders on there, which can affect it. And that's from somebody else either using her social, a mistake that was done in the doctor's office in Ohio, where they grabbed the wrong social and put it on. Who knows what it could have been? It could have been somebody who didn't have a social security number from another country, was using her to be able to qualify for health insurance. I don't know. But $9.95 a month is not always going to be the case. It's very deceiving. I don't like the advertising. They want to talk to me and sell me a $9.95 plan. It's really not the best plan for Stacy. There's some really good options out there. You know, so we got her covered, even though those medications are in there. And you can see that there's really not one type of insurance or company that's going to be for everybody, but we offer so many different types that we'll find the right one for you. So even if you do have a psychotic disorder, I have a company that's going to offer it to you. I have a company that's going to offer you if you have congestive heart failure. It might be a guaranteed issue plan, but we will put life insurance. Even if you're younger, we can get you some whole life or term life. So again, my name is Corey. I'm a life insurance agent in 26 states. I'm here to help you answer some questions. I can go through medications with you, figure out if universal life is going to be the best thing for you. Maybe we'll do a video on universal life tomorrow. It's a great alternative to term that doesn't expire until or at all, but it's a great product out there. So we have lots of products. Come check me out. I try to post a video a day or every other day and make some decent content for people to be able to enjoy. But my number is 561-542-8610. Look below, there's a description. I'll put the number in there. There'll also be a link where you can click and schedule a time on my calendar where we can spend 20 or 30 minutes getting you a quote for your particular health and your particular age, your particular weight, and your particular height, based off of everything that's particular to you. So life insurance is not a cookie cutter product, but it is better than $9.95 when it comes down to $60 for $11,300. And you're going to be waiting for 2 years for that to click in. This program only covers accidents for your first 2 years, no natural causes. So if you get hit by a bus, awesome, you're covered. But if you die of a heart attack 6 months or a year down the line, you're getting nothing from this insurance company. Zero. They might give you back what you paid into the program. I'm not sure how they work, but that's it. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Stay away from the deceiving life insurance companies like Globe, Colonial Penn. You know, Globe Life is actually the same thing I have right here. Buy $100,000 worth of life insurance for $1. Globe Life. Let's see. As low as $349. These programs are set up that you'll never qualify for the $349 a month. There's no $349 adult burial, $100,000 worth of coverage starting, look, 100,000 adult burial coverage has monthly rates starting at $3.99 for adults. Really? $3.49? Is that what you're going to protect your family with? Something that's going to expire at age 70. I can show you really quick all the different programs. I'll make, you know what, I'm going to make another video of all the programs that shows it all on a spreadsheet and how they're all deceptive. So thanks for watching. My name's Corey. Reach out to me again, check below, and I'll put a little description in there as well of why it's a deceiving program, so people can't spend so much time watching the video. We'll be able to just read it. But listen, God bless you. God bless your family. You know, do your best to take care of them. It's a troubling time. Make sure you show up to vote and fix this world we're in. God bless you.